Hello everybody. So, let me just move a little closer here. I was asked to show how I do my it's technically reamping, but how I did on the one video I showed how I use the exciter, and I used a vocal that I already recorded to show how I would use the exciter. So I was asked, well, how did you set that up? So here I'm going to explain how I did that in this video. So let's go to this screen here. We are now looking at the board. Okay, so I'm going to take track 1. I'm going to put it over to track 5 here, which is currently lit up, as you can see. Now, what I do in the back here, just going to show you. If you're looking over here, I have this is the little box that that was made for me. It's beautiful. I love it. Does so much for me now. I'm using it all the time. Okay, so you can see I have plugged in over here in send 1, effects send 1. I have the green cable here. This is going into, in this case, input H. Input H. You can put in any input you want. I just have been putting in input H because it's not a very long cable. As you can see, it's only that long. So I really couldn't go very far with it. The reason it's so short is I am using a TS, just a tip sleeve cable, because I don't know if a TRS would work. I don't know if the effects are balanced or not. I think they're not. So yeah, it says unbalanced at the bottom there. So yeah, you'd have to use this. You'd have to use a tip sleeve cable, and because if you plug in a stereo tip sleeve or TRS cable into an input, it'll automatically think it's a balanced cable. I don't want to do that, so in this case I'm just using one of my jumper cables to do this. And so what I'm doing is I'm taking from effects send and I'm going into input H. So with that being known, what am I doing next? Okay, well, let's go to my screen here. All right, it's a little darker. I don't know why. I set it and then it gets darker. I have no idea what's going on. So let's go into assign first of all. So I've assigned track 5 has input H. That makes sense. Okay, that's easy to comprehend. So what's coming into input H is going to track 5. That's an easy one. Then what I do is on the in the mixer, I have track 1 here, and as you can see, it's set to pre meaning pre-fader, so the fader on track 1 doesn't matter, so it's not going to affect it at all. And I'm sending the entire sound from that track into the effects send 1, which is coming out back over here. So that's coming out of here, going into here. So I'm literally making my own little effects loop with no effect in between. Then what I'm doing is I'm recording that. And how do I play with it on track H? Well, if I click H, you can see the mixer, it says source H. I can come here, turn on insert effects. Once I've done that, dynamics is the effects that it uses. Right now it's on compressor. I can select which one I want. So I want de-esser, and then I can play it. This is the greatest theme song. And I can change it. It's so catchy, you'll sing along. Not everyone will get it, and some will call it fair, and others will play it, but no one will compare. This is the greatest theme song. It is on, isn't it? Yep. It's so catchy, you'll sing along. Not doing a lot this time. Not everyone will get it. But that is, let's go back to dynamics here. That is how you do it. Oh, I mean, that's because I'm playing with the esser. Okay, let's go check. Let's pick the one that I wanted, the exciter. Okay. Some will call it fair. There you can tell it's on now. Others will play it, but no one will compare. This is... All right, so that's all you got to do. That's it. That's all. It's easy to do. Once again, thanks for asking. Don't be afraid to ask me questions. Don't think they're stupid questions. There are no stupid questions. I might give you a dumb answer in return. I might forget something and try something else. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.